Hello everyone, today I'm going to discuss unsupervised machine learning, as I mentioned in my previous video. Here, instead of providing data with a clear label, we're just feeding the model with bunch of data and want our model to work out some sense in the data set and find its structure in our unstructured data. We might have a whole bunch of data look like this, and we are not really telling the computer what all the data means, but instead we want our computer simply learn and be able to see that this data seems to be organized in a particular fashion, and we can actually divide them roughly along with this line, and the computer might able to differentiate that these sets of data are different. One type of unsupervised learning is called clustering. This is where a computer learns and looks at the data and all of its various features and figure out the data belongs to the separate clusters. All of these data are separate clusters and member of same group. Let's make it clear this with a real-time example, real-life example. Let's say that Facebook engineers get a task saying that how do you get more users to engage in Facebook. One of the way of doing this by putting people in touch with people they didn't know that they are on Facebook, but they know in real life, but they haven't added them as a friend on Facebook. So how can you do that if they are not searching for these people on Facebook? Well, if we look at the data on Facebook, we might able to see that this person is connected to this one by adding them as a friend or just tagging them in one post or picture. If you map this out for all users, we are able to see interconnected relationship between all users. So we can see which users are linked to with whom based on they added as friend or they tagged each other in some post or they joined in the same event. Now, even if we look at this data with human eye, we can see that we have two different clusters here. One group is this and another group is this. So using unsupervised learning, just looking at the data at Facebook, machine learning algorithm is able to say which person belongs to which social group, all without any training data. And all of this data is worked out based on the patterns that are recognized by the computer. So what we can do with the clustering? If you look at the left side of the group, social group, we can see that this lady is connected to with these two persons, but she's not connected to with these two persons. She might probably know this person in real life, but she hasn't added them as a friend in Facebook. So based on these social groups, we can offer these two persons to this lady that she might be interested to add. So if you go on Facebook, one of the most prominent thing we see on the top bar, it is people you may know. This is working based on unsupervised machine learning and based on this clustering, and it offers people that are belong to the same group, but they haven't added each other as a friend. So if you add more people on Facebook, then you have more interaction on Facebook, which means more engagement on Facebook, which means that the task for Facebook engineers is done. Using machine learning, more people are attracted to engage on Facebook, and this is called clustering, and it's type of unsupervised machine learning. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Thank you very much.